Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you the easiest way to withdraw your Memefi token. Memefi, anything you call it in your own pronunciation. Okay, so if you did Memefi, follow me step by step on what you need to do for you to withdraw your token, because on that day of withdrawal, because there are millions of people that did this project, there are going to be a lot of traffic in the app. Network will disturb. So I wouldn't want you to say, I've not withdrawn my token. No, the coin is going down, the value is depreciating. I don't want you to give any excuse why you haven't withdrawn your token on that day. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to come to this your wallet, click on this your wallet. So once you click on your wallet, you're going to click on this setting icon. Click on the setting icon. As you can see, your secret phrase is here. You're going to copy your secret phrase. You click here to review your secret phrase, then you copy. Okay, so I'm going to copy my own. So you click here to copy. See where you click to copy. So you click, then you copy. You go to your Bitgate wallet to import the secret phrase. Okay guys, so this is my Bitgate wallet. So once you open your Bitgate wallet, if you don't have Bitgate wallet, you can download it from Play Store. After you downloaded it, you set up your account. Remember to keep your key phrase safe. Remember what they said, not your key phrase, not your money. If you lost your key phrase, you have lost your money. Okay, click on this wallet. You click on my wallet. You're going to add a wallet. Okay, so you click on this add a wallet. You are importing a wallet. Okay, import a wallet or importing a wallet. You click on this one to import. You're going to paste your key phrase that you copied. Paste it here. Okay, so after you must have pasted it, you click on confirm. Okay, so as you can see, they said my wallet is ready. Wallet import successful. Okay, you click on got it. So this is my Memefi now. This is my Memefi wallet now. So once you are done importing, you click on this wallet here. You click on this place. You search for Lena. Okay, see it here. You add it so that you are going to see your money. Okay, so after adding it, your money is going to pop up, the money that you have in that your Memefi account. Okay, so if they are distributing token, your token is going to be here. It's going to show here. You're going to see it here. So you don't have any reason. If you do this thing, you don't have any reason why you won't get your token on time on that distribution day. Okay, so if you're watching this video right now, make sure that you do your own perfectly. If you don't want to do it on Bitgate wallet, you can do it on OKX wallet or Trust wallet, but I prefer Bitgate wallet or OKX Web3 wallet. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. If this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, share and comment. Okay, and if you're not in my WhatsApp group, I'm also going to drop my WhatsApp group link for you to join my WhatsApp group, because it's not every update that I post in my WhatsApp group that I post on my YouTube channel. Okay.